Aso-oke tying sometimes can be so worrisome, but I brought a solution to it today. So come closer, get your chairs, get your material, get your office pin, get your rubber band, and let us start. These are the things you're going to be needing for this simple aso-oke head wrap or gele that I'm showing you how to do today. So let me start by the division. You're gonna close it up like 50-50 and close it up. Then you make pleats down like this. All you need to do is just focus and see what I'm doing. So after I pleated it down, I just need my elastic band to secure the part. Then I'm going to stretch out one part here. Then I'm going to repeat the same process I made earlier. That is, I'm going to fold it up like this. And another thing we need to take note here is the second pleat is going to be very close to the other one, plus almost the same size with the previous one, if not the same size. Now after pleating everything down, you need another band to replace your hand. This is absolutely simple to do, stress free. So once you are done securing, you have one whole part and little half here. So dip the half underneath the longer part. So you're going to be placing it right on your head like that. Arrange the sides, then you come to the back, grab all the excess together where you need another elastic band to secure it. So that's my band and I'm trying to get it secured there. After securing it there, you drop it, come to the front, and you're going to stretch it sideways like this. Use your office pin to secure. You repeat the same process here, secure it down with your office pin, then come to the center as well, pick them together and secure. If you look at this head wrap very well, you see that it falls sideways. If you like, you can make sure it falls center if you want. Just make sure it is at the center, but this is sideways. I'll show you how you can shift it to center later. So to the back, I just twist all the excess, take it to the front to dip inside the band that remained there, and we're done for this back. So I come to the front, then I added my brunch to cover up the band. If you are using a band, use a band that matches the color of your fabric to avoid using your brunch if you don't like it. So that's one. So I'm trying to shift to the center here. So this is the look at the center. So it depends on you. You might want it sideways or center. So this is the center part. So after this, we're going for second style. You can just press it down. If you don't like something high, press it down and get it secured to your office pin. That is second style I have for you today. So you can try any of these out. So wait, let me show you another one which is going to make the third style for this tutorial. So you can just bend one down like this, secure it to this one part using office pin. Then the other one, you're gonna go there and raise it up, and you are done. So I'm going to come here, secure it again, and adjust all the adjustables. Guys, if you have watched to this length, I believe you have learned one thing or the other. So don't hesitate to share so that other people will enjoy and learn. Okay, drop your thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for always watching. Take care. Happy weekend.